Yeah, this is my first like video I'm filming with this.
Yeah.
It looks pretty abandoned to me. Literally, even just from the road, I can just tell. Yeah, it looks pretty fucked. Looks very fucked. Yeah, I doubt anybody.
Whoa, I've never seen such a thing.
Coke? Yeah, I've only ever heard of Pepsi. It's weird. Well, this is cool. I kind of suspect that this place is probably abandoned, but I wasn't fully sure. This place is cool. Well, this place is real cool.
Did you record the one that you and Joel went to?
Let's see if we can. This looks fucked. Big old spider, teddy bear. They even had like a nice like wall too, it looked like a stone wall.
And this is actually the wall connected to mine at home.
Yeah, right? Your house is literally just like, it's over there.
It's right there.
It's like, oh man, we really did take the back way to Kawaneski. It was so back way, it is literally next to your house. Nice. Shit's cool as fuck. I don't think there's any going in here, really.
My.
Gee, oh my is right.
I didn't even realize.
I could kind of see from the other side. Damn, what the fuck? That's all falling in. What? Who goes there? That opened easily. Oh, dead dog. Not a real dead dog,
Yep.
obviously, but you know. Shitty old TV. Shitty old clock. Shitty old house in general. Let's go down here. Here is the back side.
This is like a giant snake skin for a second. I was like,
Oh, ew. It's just someone's chainmail armor they left behind.
Godspeed.
Godspeed.
Yeah.
Barbed wire fence so that we don't go past our boundaries.
I almost didn't realize this door's completely closed. It's just all shattered out.
Yeah. Can't go in there, I guess. Yeah, I just realized this door probably opens, and it does. Can't really go in here much, though. Floor is completely caved in. Put on the full armor of God. Yeah, right. Well, I guess that's that. It just smells like just terrible in here. I can't even tell if those are real grapes or fake grapes or even grapes at all. That's all fucked. Yucky, yucky, wicky, wicky. Well, they probably couldn't put much shit inside. I can already see it's like a big ol'. No, it's just a daddy long leg. There's nothing in there.
I'm like I quit. Not even quit.